Oh my, she told me keep your eyes open, and then baby you can stay pure, you can stay sweet. But you see, I learned better firsthand. Mama and my daddy, he's
haven't followed me on Instagram, you guys, go right now and follow me on KDTV Official on Instagram. So let's get this started. We're making a tutorial today on the Morphe palette 35H palette, and it's actually a really great palette. I'll let you see what it looks like. See? And it's also, I did it to where, you know, sometimes when you don't want to wear eyelashes and your face don't look right without eyelashes. So in this, you don't even need your eyelashes, girl. You can let your eyelashes go out. You can, you know, make it natural and it still looks good. This makeup look does not need no eyelashes necessary, but you could put them on. But, well, you could just, you know, let them, give them a little breather, you know what I'm saying? So, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kush coming back at you with another tutorial. Okay, if you haven't been here before, please subscribe down below and put your notification on all. And as well, please subscribe down below on my Instagram, KDTV Official. And yeah, just go follow your girl over there. So yeah, we're gonna do a makeup tutorial today, and I was feeling blue. I've been swatching this palette, Morphe, which is the 35H palette. I haven't even tried the colors. I just swatched them, as you can see on my arm. Swatched some of them. I already based my eyes with P.Louise Base Concealer in the shade Rumor 03. So for blending crease brush, and it comes in a pack. Okay, and we're gonna start with this color right here.
When you say that you had enough.
And now we're going to take Jeffree Star, Morphe X Jeffree Star brush in the JS9. And we're just going to just blend what we already applied on our eyes. And now we're going to apply the same color spotting, but with the JS9 Morphe brush. We're just gonna try to apply it more darker. Give it a little more of a smoky effect. Just like a deep. We'll be taking our JS9 brush and just slightly feathering it out at the top. You want it so darkish, try to smooth it out just a little bit. Natural. Just smooth that a little bit, give it like a natural blend from the two eyeshadows we already applied. Now we're about to cut our crease with the P.Louise concealer, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M213 brush. Now we're going to move back to our JS9 brush and Jeffree Star. And we're going to just spread and just pat the edge where we're going to blend the color in it. Give it an ombre effect. So now we're going to be using the shade Strobe Light.
yeah. Boys like you,
I'm gonna use one brush and the brush overshadow. The overshadow brush by Sephora. Full tide color. This one. Now I'm going to be taking that brush we used earlier and the smaller flat head and small shadow. And dry. NARS Medium shade, Sephora's foundation brush, and now we're going to be taking our M213 brush by Morphe. It's a small brush to get into small corners. It's the M213 brush by Morphe, and we're going to just under pack our eyes with the eyeshadow in the same colors that I already used, but the color I'm going to use is going to be Tiesto, instead of white. Alright, underneath with that. Now we're going to be taking our JS10 Morphe X Jeffree Star brush. JS10. I'm using the setting powder Morphe in the shade Banana Nut, and this is the Bake Sets. And let me just get this out for y'all. I'm gonna be using Sephora's complexion brush. I'm not gonna go all the way on my eye because I do want it to be a little smoky at the bottom, like kind of dramatic.
And the windows from those points, never let them in. They're thinking that you're just a toy, but I need just to take a chance on you.
I'm gonna be taking more shades with face brushes that can be fat. They break hearts. Until they're just face brushes. And this kind of blends in.
Trying to be sensible, but you're smiling.
Okay, so now we got our setting powder on. We're gonna go to like bronzer. If you don't have any bronzer, you can also go to your eyeshadow palette if it has a brown, and you can just go to it and just, you know, work from it. Just so I'm using that in the shade Spotted, same color. Now I'm gonna contour my nose. Okay, so now we're moving on to our Jaclyn Hill highlighter set, and it comes with a set of four different types of highlighters. I'm going to be choosing this brown one right here. And now we're going to be using Jeffree Star's Frost, Supreme Frost, which is a highlighter. And I'm going to be using the color Hypothermia. And it looks like this color. Now we're going to move on to our lips. We're going to use this red color. And we're going to be using the chestnut. Now we're going to be using Jangle Jangle matte lipstick. Share, so you know you can let your friends know that I have cool makeup videos. Anyways, so you can continue to watch.
This makeup look is not me. No eyelashes necessary, but you could put them on. But well, you could just, you know, give them a little breather. You know what I'm saying?